So I haven't filmed in a very long time. This is going to be a hair review for Hermosa hair. I'm reviewing their kinky curly unit, and I'm gonna go ahead and also just do a little bit of trimming. This video is honestly long overdue, but I was having to move from out of my dad's place to my own apartment, so that's where I'm at right now. This is, yeah, a whole new place. So I'm gonna just basically show you guys how I customize this wig without me plucking anything, because I don't have my tweezers with me. So we're gonna really just have to honestly just do this the best way that I can. But yeah, I really do wish I could pluck this, because you know me, I just got off work and I really don't have the time. I want to be done filming by at least 8 p.m. so I can get this edited and everything, and honestly up on my Depop. So in with my got to be glued hairspray, and we're gonna just basically yeah, just, you know, glue everything to my head, and I'm gonna just do my hardest to make this look as realistic as possible. Okay, so I think I somewhat got it, and now I'm gonna just make sure, put some hairspray. I'm not really gonna touch the lace that I just down, and then I'm gonna just take some of this hair and we're gonna do some baby hairs with this. So see what I'm doing. Cutting it. And then when I use the got to be glue just to set it, kind of like yeah, that's way too much hair. So wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm filming in my new apartment. So I'm literally on a mattress right now. Probably gonna be on a mattress for like the next month or so, but I'm gonna buy my bed frame like next week or at some point. But yeah, I'm filming in my new place. The reason why I did not film as much before is because I was living with my dad. I couldn't be as loud, I couldn't be as expressive. My dad is literally so cool. I just didn't want to like disturb him with all these videos and like with vlogging. I couldn't really have that space to necessarily do that. So now I can do that for these videos in my new apartment. I'm filming this after work, so it's kind of already darker outside, so I can't exactly like, you know, do my intro shots or like do shots where I'm in my living room yet. I don't even have a couch in there just yet, so I can't really do that, but I will get everything ASAP. I'm just trying to like save my money, and for those of y'all that have been really patient with my, you know, hair content, I thank you so much. So I got this wig from Hermosa Hair. They sent me this really long kinky curly unit. The bag comes with a little satin scarf. It comes with wig caps. It comes with also lashes. So yeah, this is a bag that it comes in for Hermosa Hair. Let me just get into more of the specs of this unit as well, so that y'all will know what we're working with. I feel like this is a 24-inch, but I'm gonna just make sure for you guys. Okay, yeah, this is a 13x4 Swiss lace front. This is an invisible lace, which I did have to bleach the knots, but honestly, like, it looks pretty good. I actually used a lace tint. I don't remember what the brand was, but yeah, if y'all can use lace tints on your wigs, I definitely recommend it, because they're really good for that. This is a 26-inch, 220% density, because this is actually a lot of hair. Like, and this, if it's stretched out, goes really far down, like all the way down to my waist. So it's very long. So the price of this for a 26-inch 13x4, 220% density is going to be, what's the price? Oh, $313.63. It's actually originally $475.12, so you save $161.49. They're having a sale right now, so it's actually a very good price. This is a lot of hair, and this is the back of the hair. So there's a lot going on here. Very, very, very pretty unit. I really like this curly hair. I actually just put a little bit of my hairspray, like water spray, and then I also used a hair mousse, and that was it. I didn't do anything else with this unit. I literally just made sure I kind of shaped it a little bit as well, so it kind of has like a good little, so it has like a nice shape going on for my head size, all that stuff. What else? I also sewed in an elastic band. I think this is a small cap size that I went ahead and ordered, but it does have elastic bands on the inside. The website also does have Klarna, so if you wanted to split it into 4 different interest-free payments, you can. I feel like it goes every other week that you pay for it, so it's honestly not a bad deal if you're looking to save money and just like split your payments for your wigs. I know I do that sometimes when I'm like buying another wig that's like super expensive. I will split it into 4 payments and just make it every couple weeks or so, and that's very helpful for me. This is what the lace is looking up close, and yeah, I went ahead and I bleached the knots. This goes back, I think on this side it's like 4 inches. It goes back a little bit more here, so this is like a true 4-inch, you know, where it stops. But honestly, everything lays down extremely flat. I didn't have to use a hot comb at the top of this, mostly because it's a curly lace unit, and also I just put it to the side. It was super easy to part, and again, it's 26 inches, but when you stretch it out, and if you were to straighten this hair, it would go down like literally all the way to my waist, so, or to my butt actually. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. I don't normally wear curly units as much these days, but I really should, because summertime especially if you sweat a lot like myself. But yeah, this is super nice. Look how big this looks. Definitely really thick, definitely 220% for the density. So if you're not looking for something as thick, you can also order 150%. They have that as an option as well. But I think that's all that I have for the specs of this wig. Also, I do have some wigs on my Depop, so y'all can go ahead and check them out below. I will be posting those this week because I'm doing a ton of hair videos this week in my new place. But yeah, that's it for this video. Be sure to go ahead and click the link to Hermosa hair down below, as well as the direct link to this unit that I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take some intro shots for this video as well as some photos. So stay tuned for that. All right, bye.